everyone, good to see you again. Thanks for checking the channel out and checking this video out. Really do appreciate it. I'm Rich. This is Six String Fun. Gonna kind of stay in that, like I said, 80s and 90s vibe that I've had going on the last couple videos or so. We're gonna jump into the 90s with this one. Counting Crows, off their first album, which I'm drawing a blank on the name of the album right now, but this was the title, the song title, Mr. Jones. Definitely was a big hit in rotation on MTV when MTV was still kind of playing videos. But this was definitely one of those tunes from the 90s that I think everyone kind of associates with that time. So I'm going to kind of walk you through this one. Pretty straightforward. I mean, the intro and I should say the intro, the verse, very similar. Chorus, pretty similar as well. You're just changing out one chord. And even the bridge, the tempo changes, but you're still kind of playing the same chords. So why don't we just kind of dive right in, take a closer look at that, and I'll walk you through how I play it here on the acoustic. All right, another great 90s tune. Let me walk you through this one. It's pretty straightforward. If you know some basic chords, you can do this one, no doubt. I showed you earlier in the intro here just the 4 chords to get you kicked off. It's an A minor, to an F, to a D minor, to a G. And you're going to play that again. However, there's one slight change here. You're not going to play that D minor. You're going to play the A minor. You go right to the G, and you're holding out for 2 measures, okay? Those 2 sections are your main parts of the chorus. So you've got to remember these. It could be a little tricky. So all together, it's... So remember that pattern. A minor, F, D minor, G. And then again, A minor, F, G, and a second measure of G. So one of those kind of nuances, dynamics that you probably most people don't pay attention to, but for you as a player, keep that in mind. That's what kind of, makes the song the way it is. These little things, any song basically, these little things that are thrown in there that maybe aren't so common, you need to pick up on those. So that's one of the things right there. So you're going to play that for the verse the whole time through. That's your intro, and that's your verse. So remember those patterns right there. And the chorus, simple, 3 chords. Instead of starting on an A minor, you're going to start on the C. F, second measure of G, so it's again, I can't sing, but I'm just trying to give you some mile markers here so you know where you are. But that's all it is. C, F, G, and another G. That's your chorus. That repeats over and over whenever you're into the chorus. So again, you got the ooh-na-nas you can throw in there as well. And then really there's only one other part for this song that you need to know, but it's really straightforward. And it's probably, half the tempo is an A minor. I guess it's the bridge. Oh, that was wrong, right? Let's try that again. I believe that's played 3 times, and the bridge is basically those chords I just showed you. The A minor, the correct way, A minor, to an F, back to the A minor, to the G. Okay, 3 times, so it's... Okay, 3 times, you're good, okay? And then after that 3rd time, you're in that G. To believe, yeah. Right back to the chorus. And the song just goes out on that rhythm the whole way, basically, those chords. C, F, and the G, and a second measure of G. There's your song right there. Hopefully this was helpful. You know, again, pretty straightforward. And there it is. You know, like I said, pretty straightforward tune. Great one to bust out if you've got the guitar and you're at a, you know, campfire, barbecue, something like that. You know, somewhat simple as far as just the chords. I mean, again, there's one bar chord, that F chord, but you can get around that if the bar chords are an issue. You can figure a way to kind of get around that. But you know, please, if you haven't already done so, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment below. Would love to know if you have any requests. I will try to do my best to get to those. Again, comment below, just in general. Would love to just kind of get the feedback. What's working, what isn't, what do you like, what don't you like? Let me know, and I will try to make those adjustments as I go along here. But again, thanks for checking this video out. Really do appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.